Today we get to do a super fun tree map about elves. So I've got mine colored in. You can do the same thing to get ready. Now, do you remember when we read the story, Santa Kid? Well, actually, Mrs. Schmidt read it, right? Okay, well, Santa Kid will help us remember some really awesome things about elves. Okay, so let's see if we can remember. Now, I'm here to help you, but if you would like to write some of your own words, you most certainly can. Okay, so this will be our sentence number 1. Elves are, okay, so that'll be sentence number 1. We do our writing, okay? So elves are, now this is what I thought of, magical. Elves are magical, aren't they? So if you like my same word, magical, then you can copy this right down here. It's kind of a hard word, magical. They really are. Okay, so if you like my word, you can do the same. Elves are magical. If you have your own word, well, write your own word down. Okay, for our sentence number 2, we're going to do this stem right here on our tree map. So this will be sentence number 2. Okay, so we can say elves are magical, and we could say elves can, or we could also use the word they. That's a pronoun. Remember we were using he as a pronoun? Instead of saying elves are magical, elves can, elves have, keep repeating over and over. Nope, we don't have to. We can just say they. So we can say they can. Now what can they do? Well, I know what I thought of. I said they can make toys, right? Yeah, elves are really good at making toys. Okay, so if you like my idea, you can write these 2 words right here. Make sure you have a little finger space so that you remember when you do your writing, okay? And we'll use this word right here, they. They can make toys, okay? And then our last one will be right over here. Elves have. That's going to be sentence number 3, okay? Now, instead of saying elves, 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 we can say this again, they. Now, if you want to also put the word also, if you also want to put the word also, you could put it right here. But you don't have to use that word. You could just say they can make toys. They have. Let's think of a word right here. What do elves have? Well, you know what I think is really funny that elves have? Here's my idea. They have pointy ears. So you like mine. It's kind of a hard word to spell, pointy. Pointy ears. Yeah, that's what makes them so cool and so cute. They have pointy ears. So you could say they also have pointy ears. Or you could just say they have pointy ears. You decide if you want both words or if you just want they. You make up your mind. You can choose, okay? All right, so we're going to be all ready for our writing tomorrow. Let's look at the sentences we have. Read them with me. Elves are magical. They can make toys. They also have pointy ears. We are all ready for our writing tomorrow, okay, which we will be doing on this page right here. So keep this, and we'll get ready for tomorrow.